Good morning! Once again, the boiler gods have scuppered my plans for my YouTube upload for today. So I'm filming this on Tuesday. It had been my intention to film another little Christmassy tutorial for you to upload to the channel on Wednesday, but unfortunately the boiler has gone, but this time at my son's school. So he is currently off school for the day, which means I have decided that I'm going to have a day at home instead, which means that I have been able to finalise my 3 Little Gifts course. Now, if you recently funded or pledged towards our crowdfunder, then you will know that I was producing a small mini course of 3 super cute little gift ideas that you could give for Christmas or at some other time. It's taken a while to do with the boiler problems at BTHQ last week. Filming was slightly delayed, but I finally got it finished yesterday. So today I have been furiously editing, uploading and putting together the course, and I'm pleased to say that it is now available to purchase on my website. So this is a blatant ad, but it is a lovely little course. You will enjoy it. It is a low cost course. It's just £15 and you will learn how to make 3 super cute little projects that are just perfect for stocking fillers, and they are all scrap busters, so you don't need to go out and buy expensive materials. It's well worth taking a look. I'm just going to show you the intro to the course now, and if you would like to purchase it, then feel free to pop down into the description and you will find the link there. If you're not interested, then switch off. I don't mind, and I will see you again on Friday with BTHQ Banter. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye. Hello and welcome to our 3 Little Gifts tutorial mini course. This is a great little course if you want to just make small, simple things from your scrap fabrics and your leftovers, and they are all perfect for little gifts, perfect little stocking fillers for Christmas, great items to give to friends and family for birthdays and little token gifts. So I'm going to talk you through how to make 3 different projects, starting with a lovely lip balm holder, moving on to a super little pouch that you can keep your headphones or your car park change in, and then moving on to a lovely little snap purse, which is also available in 2 different sizes. So we will start with the lip balm holder. As I say, this is great. You'll just need a little scrap of fabric and one of these swivel clasp key fobs. Alternatively, if you haven't got one of these, you can just put a little D-ring in, or you could put one of the key ring loops into it that you put onto your car keys. So you don't have to have fancy hardware, and it does just use a little scrap of fabric, and it's perfect just to house your lip balm. You can pop it onto your jeans and carry it around with you all day long. The next thing we'll move on to make is this lovely little pouch, and it's so cute. Again, it's got a little D-ring on the side here, so you can attach it to the inside of your bag. It opens nice and wide, and you can pop your headphones in here, or you could put car park change. If you've got the little iPod things that you put in your ears, whatever they're called, AirPods, you can pop those in so you're not going to lose them. And again, just draw it up and it's a perfect little pouch. And then we'll make the little wallet, and this is great. This is so simple. It's got 2 little pockets inside. You can make it business card size, or you can make it the larger size here, and this is absolutely perfect if you're a lady and you need to take some sanitary wear into work with you or keep it in your handbag. This is the perfect size for that. Alternatively, I like to use it to keep my camera batteries and my SD cards in, and I take it to and from work, so it's nice and simple and easy to make. You can also add fanciness to all of these if you want to, by adding quilting or wadding or anything else. Add extra ribbon, extra trims. You can use embroidery stitches. The choice is yours, but we're going to teach you the simple methods. It's up to you how you jazz them up. So I do hope you enjoy this course.